Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your repost on TikTok. So I'm going to open my TikTok application, and if I scroll through a video and save this video I want to repost to my profile, I can tap that little share icon at the bottom right here and then just tap repost, the yellow repost. So you can see that reposted it, and if I tap on the comments here, and it says that you reposted it 38 seconds ago. But if you didn't repost this recently and you are not still on the video, you might want to go back and see which videos did I repost. The thing is, TikTok at this point doesn't provide any way for you to go back and access those videos that you reposted. However, what I recommend doing is anytime you repost a video, tap that little bookmark icon and add it to your favorites. So then you can tap the profile icon at the very bottom right corner, and then you can tap the favorites here, and you could even go as far as adding it to a collection where that collection is only videos that you reposted it, so that you can always go back and see any of those videos that you reposted and rewatch them again, reposted them again if you want to, or delete them from the favorites or something like that. So I hope this was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.